Hi Tigers, this is Coach Bogert, and I am very happy to be your PE teacher this year. I'm just sending out this quick tutorial to show you how to get to our Google Meet. I know that as an online Tiger this year, you don't have necessarily a schedule to follow, but we are going to have Google Meets a couple of times a week just so that we can check in and if you guys have questions, you can ask. So I would really like to have our first Google Meet on Tuesday at 1:45. That way I can kind of explain the class to you guys, show you how it's going to work, that kind of thing. So anyway, I'll put this in the email as well, but 1:45 on Tuesday is when I'd like you to come join the Google Meet. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now, okay? So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to your Schoology courses, and you're going to want to find Bogert 7th grade online PE. So you'll click on that, and it will open up our 7th grade online PE page. There's a lot of stuff right here, but the thing that you're going to need to join Google Meet is the basketball goal. It says click for Google Meet. So you will click on the basketball goal, and it will bring you to this page here. You'll see that days and times will vary. You'll want to check Schoology updates or your Schoology calendar to find when we're going to be meeting each week. I will try to keep it as consistent as possible, but we do have to be flexible because there are a lot of other online teachers. When we do get to have a Google Meet, again, 1:45 on Tuesday, we will then come here and you will want to either remember or copy the nickname because you'll need that nickname to get into the meeting. So you'll click on the picture below, click on join or start a meeting, type in our class nickname, and click on continue. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this nickname because I have a lot of nicknames and it's hard for me to remember. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight it, Control C. I'm going to click on the picture. I'll click on join or start a meeting. Then you'll either type in the nickname or you'll paste in the nickname if you copied it. You'll hit continue. And then you are ready to join the meeting. So you'll hit join now and you'll be in our meeting. All right, so hopefully this little tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to email me and I will be happy to help. All right, hopefully see you on Tuesday.